Okay, children, which topic we'll do today? Fractions, part 3. Now, I'll teach you how to plot fractions on a number line. Suppose you have to plot 1 by 2 on the number line. We'll start with 0. 0 can be written as 0 by 2 also. How you can write 0 by 2? Because 0 divided by any number is 0. 0 divided by any number is 0. After 0, which number comes? 1. 1 divided by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. How? Number divided by the same number is always equal to 1. So start with 0, end with 1, or 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Okay, next. Suppose you want to plot 1 by 4 on the number line. How will plot? We start with 0 by 4. In the denominator, which fraction we have to plot 1 by 4? No, that 4 use in the denominator. 0 by 4. 0 by 4 is also 0. Don't get confused. 0 divided by any number is always 0. So after 0, which number comes? 1. So 1 by 4 we can plot. Next, if you want to plot 2 by 4. So after 1, which number comes? 2. 2 by 4. If you want to plot 3 by 4. So after 2, which number comes? 3. 3 by 4. After that, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is also equal to 1. How? Number divided by the same number is always equal to 1. Next, suppose you want to plot 1 by 8 on the number line. How will plot? We'll start with 0, or we can say 0 by 8. 0 by 8 is also 0. Okay. So 0 divided by any number is 0. So after 0, which number comes? 1. 1 by 8. Suppose you want to plot 5 by 8. How will do that? After 0, which number? 0 by 8. 1 by 8. After 1, which number comes? 2. 2 by 8. After 2, which number comes? 3. 3 by 8. After that, 4. 4 by 8. After that, 5. 5 by 8. Suppose you want to plot 7 by 8. How will do? After 0 by 8, 1 by 8. Then 2 by 8. 3 by 8. 4 by 8. 5 by 8. 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. Next, suppose in this you want to plot 4 by 6. How will plot? 0 by 6. You have to start. 0 by 6 is 0. Don't get confused. 0 divided by any number is always 0 only. 0 by 6. After that, 1 by 6. After 1, which number comes? 2. 2 by 6. Then 2. After 2, which number comes? 3. 3 by 6. After 3, which number comes? 4. 4 by 6. After 4, which number comes? 5. 5 by 6. Suppose in the next example, you want to plot 3 by 4. How will do that? We'll start with 0 by 4. After 0, which number comes? 1. So 1 by 4. After 1 by 4, which number comes? 2. After 1, which number comes? You remember like that. After 0, 1. So 1 by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4. After 1, which number? 2. So 2 by 4. After 2, which number? 3. 3 by 4. We can plot 3 by 4 on the number line. Here, in the next example, let us plot 2 by 3 on the number line. How we will do this? We'll start with 0 or 0 by 3. 0 by 3 is also equal to 0. Why? 0 divided by any number is 0. After 0, which number comes? 1. So 1 by 3. After 1, which number comes? Tell me. 2. 2 by 3. We can plot 2 by 3 like this. Next, 0. You want to plot 1 by 2. 0 by 2. After 0, it is 1. So 1 by 2. Don't get confused by 0 by 2. 0 divided by any number is 0. Here we are plotting 1 by 2, right? So the 2 you can put in the denominator. 0 by 2. After 0, 1. 1 by 2. Then after 1, 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is also equal to 1. Because a number divided by any number is all number divided by the same number is always equal to 1. Okay. Next example here. Suppose you want to plot 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, how you can plot? 0 by 2, we'll start with 0 by 2. I told you no, 0 divided by any number is 0. Here in the denominator 1 by 2, which is the denominator 2 here. So we'll start with 0 by 2 only. After 0, which number comes? 1. So 1 by 2. Next 2 by 3 if you want to plot. After 0, you'll start with 0 by 3. After 0, 1. After 1, 2. So 2 by 3 you can plot. Next, suppose you want to plot 3 by 4. We'll start with 0 by 4. After 0, which number comes? 1. So 1 by 4. After 1, which number comes? 2, 2 by 4. After 2, which number comes? 3. So 3 by 4. Next example. Suppose you want to plot 4 by 5 on the number line. You'll start with 0 by 5. See, whichever denominator is you have to plot, that you put under 0. So your denominator is 5 here. So we'll start with 0 by 5. 0 by 5. After 0, which number comes? 1. 1 by 5. After 1, which number comes? 2. 2 by 5. After 2, which number comes? 3. 3 by 5. After 3, which number comes? 4. 4 by 5. We can plot on the line, number line. Next, if you want to plot 5 by 6, so you'll start with 0 by 6. Don't get confused. I'm once again telling you 0 by 6 is also equal to 0 because 0 divided by any number is 0. Why 6 I'm taking? Don't get confused. Here I'm plotting 5 by 6 now. 6 is in the denominator. So 0 divided by the same number you have to use. 0 divided by 6. After 0, 1. 1 by 6. After 1, 2. 2 by 6. After 2, 3. 3 by 6. After 3, 4. 4 by 6. After 4, 5. 5 by 6. Next, we'll plot 7 by 8. So we'll start with 0 by 8. Why 8 here? Because I told you which fraction you have to plot. Look at the denominator that you use in the 0. 0 divided by 8. 7 by 8 you are plotting, no? So we'll start with 0 by 8. 0 by 8 is also 0. Don't get confused. 0 divided by any number is 0. We'll start with 0 by 8. After 0, which number comes? 1. 1 by 8. After 1, 2. 2 by 8. After 2, 3. 3 by 8. After 3, 4. 4 by 8. After 4, 5. 5 by 8. After 5, 6. 6 by 8. After 6, 7. 7 by 8. Then one more example. Suppose you first example you want to plot 2 by 3. We'll start with 0 by 3. Okay, 0 by 3. After 0, 1 will come. So 1 by 3. After 1, 2, 2 by 3. Next, you want to plot 5 by 6. We'll start with 0 by 6. 0 by 6 and 0 are the same. Don't get confused. 0 divided by any number is 0. Why I am taking 0 by 6 here? Why? Because you are plotting 5 by 6. No. 6 is the denominator. That same denominator you put under 0. 0 divided by 6. After 0, 1. 1 by 6. After 1, 2. 2 by 6. After 2, 3. 3 by 6. After 3, 4. 4 by 6. After 4, 5. 5 by 6. Last example, we'll plot 11 by 12. You start with 0 by 12. After 0, which number comes? 1. 1 by 12. After 1, which number comes? 2. 2 by 12. After 2, which number comes? 3. 3 by 12. After 3, 4. 4 by 12. After 4, 5. 5 by 12. After 6, 6 by 12. 6. After 6, 7. 7 by 12. After 7, 8. 8 by 12. After 8, 9. 9 by 12. After 9, it is 10. 10 by 12. After 10, what will come? 11 by 12. Okay, children, we'll continue the next part in the next session.